Okay. Okay. So I'm testing this new box here. It's got the new version of these things because I've had so many problems with the other ones. I figured maybe these are defective. Maybe I'll try a different brand. So I got the other brand. Now we're going to see if these work better than the other ones. Let's see. And what's interesting about these actually came with the tool included for free, which is very nice. Because the other ones, I had to actually buy the tool. So I'm going to put that aside just in case. And then we need to put 2 of the clips on that fence right there, on that T-post. So I'm going to put this here. Grab that. Now, visually, they look identical. Like, if you didn't know which one was which, you wouldn't be able to tell. So let's go see. I'm going to take 2 of these. I'm going to go put them on. And we'll see how it works. Okay. All right. Let's go see. Like it's the same thing because we're having the same issue. Okay. Oops. Okay, so now we got a failure there. So I'm going to see the only commonality of this tool. So I'm going to see if using the other tool gives me a lower failure rate. So I'm going to open the new tool and see what we got there. In the meantime, I'm also going to swap out my gloves because there's something in these, some kind of needles. I think it's from the prickly pear. Where are my other gloves? We are here to check out whether our bees. I'm hearing a lot of buzzing, but there's nothing here. So there's no bees in here. There's no bees in here. Looks like this took some hail damage. I can see some imprints from the hail. Alright, let's go take a look. The wild hive is still here. They're in there. Let's take a look if we got anything in this new colony that I set up here. No, it's just a wild hive. I can see them coming back, but they haven't swarmed to my other hives yet. No, nothing there. Okay, that hive definitely has nothing because it fell over. So we'll leave it there as is. Take care of that another time.